They were walking home at night, unaware of what was about to happen, until this man showed up with a gun. He was robbing them, demanding they drop their belongings on the ground. Out of fear, they handed over everything. If you ever find yourself in a situation like this, don't try to be a hero. Someone acting like this clearly isn't thinking rationally. I always try to share videos like this because something needs to be done about these situations. Packages are constantly being stolen. Have you ever experienced something like this? This woman was so fed up with her neighbors that she couldn't take it anymore. She went up to their door and started hitting it with an umbrella. When no one answered, she hit it even harder. Still, no one came to the door. Either they didn't hear her, or they were pretending not to. What kind of problem do you think she might have with her neighbor? These two thieves broke into a building. The man seemed to know what he was doing, even wearing a mask. But the woman acted like she was just walking into her own home. Why are they so relaxed? They walked in without a care in the world. This guy thinks he's being careful as he tries to open the mailbox. He must have seen something inside. But he doesn't notice the doorbell camera and gets caught on it, face fully visible. Whatever he stole from that mailbox definitely wasn't worth it. One mailbox isn't enough for him. He moves on to the next one. Luckily, he hears a noise and takes off. When they got to this door, they stopped for a moment. Probably noticed the doorbell camera. Suddenly, they walked away. But they didn't leave the building. Instead, they started going to other doors. These mischievous teens must have taken fun the wrong way. One of them throws a rock at a car window and then they all run off. This couple was so drunk they ended up at someone else's door, barely able to stand. The guy, clearly very intoxicated, kept trying to pick up his girlfriend and eventually dropped her. Since she was wearing a short dress, everything ended up exposed. At least no one else was around. Hopefully, they made it home safely. You wake up in the morning to soldiers raiding your home. A dozen of them storm in and start searching the place. It's a terrible experience, and if you're innocent, it's even worse. Something that could leave lasting trauma.
No! 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 No!
This homeowner's mischievous dog tore open a package that was meant for outdoor decorations and started playing on top of it. No matter how much the owner tried to stop it, the damage was already done.
Hey, Watch this. Watch this. She's gonna do
While
it.
this man was
Watch
trying to
it.
build an area in his
got poop
garden,
on her hands.
his neighbor kept
Poopy
coming
hands.
over and bothering him. No matter
Got
how
poop.
many times he asked her to stop, she kept provoking
She's got
him.
poop. Oh! Poopy hands. She just touched poop with her hands. Shut the up. She's got poop on her hands.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the.
Here's another brave cat. When a coyote attacks, it holds its ground without backing down. If it had run, it definitely would have been caught. He was going so fast on this electric bike that he crashed right into the door. Panicking, he tried to get away quickly, but couldn't turn the bike around at first. Finally, he managed to spin the bike and rode off.
Lock in.
Another drunk couple. This time the woman seems fine, but the man is completely wasted. Just as he steps onto the stairs, he falls backward, putting the woman in a tough spot too. This might be the weirdest one yet. A female delivery worker dropped off a package, looked around to make sure no one was watching, and then started using the yard as a bathroom. Either she did it on purpose or was really desperate. But either way, there's no excuse. She could have found another solution. This robber had his eye on the woman, and the moment he got close, he snatched her bag and ran off, dragging her a bit in the process. She's still there yelling at him. A few people did come to help, but the guy had already gotten away.
Oh my God, you bitch! Give me my bag!
The homeowner let their dog roam in the yard for a bit, but the dog was so friendly that when a man came by, he petted it and easily lured it close enough to grab and take it. Has anyone seen this dog? This woman must have been really angry at her neighbor. The way she knocked on that door says it all. When no one answered, she took out her frustration on whatever was around. Shoes, the trash can, anything nearby. Then she just left. Why? This gang pulled off a robbery in broad daylight, most likely stealing a safe from the house and loading it into their car. They even kept grabbing more items from inside. To save time, one of them jumped into the trunk, and they took off. This man, living in a wooded area, was heading home completely unaware, walking carelessly without looking around, when he suddenly came face to face with a massive male deer.